This is your code book. So in this video we are going to discuss about variable. Variable is one of the important concepts in all programming languages. So today I am going to explain what is meant by variable, and in Python how we are going to create a variable name. Let's start with the definition. There are more definitions available about a variable. Here I have given two definition. One is about a variable is a name that refers some memory location. Actually in computer every memory location is identified by some unique number or address. So when we talk about variable, it consists of three parts. One is about variable name, value and address. So address is a unique number. After storing a data, it is very difficult to access the data through this unique address. That's why we are using this variable name. So using this variable name, we can easily access the data whenever we need it in our program. So another definition, a variable is an entity that may change during the execution of the program. So for example, initially I have given some value, for example x is equal to 1. Later I can modify that x value. So these are the some definition about a variable. So here you can see the example. Here I have taken that example, roll number is equal to 101. So as I told earlier, here the roll number is a variable name and 101 is the value, and here one more number is there, that is 9789280. This is the memory address. In Python it is known as unique identifier. So every value stored in some memory location that identified by some unique identifier. Let me explain with example. So here after this open, ideally let me create this one variable x, and I will assign the value 10. So now x is equal, the Python statement is x is equal to 10, which means the 10 is assigned to the value the variable name x. So if you are pressing entering x and press enter, you will see the value. So if you want to know the address or unique identifier, we have a special function id. In parenthesis you should give the variable name. This one will fetch the unique identifier of that variable x. So here, so x is the variable name, 10 is the value, and these values are stored in that memory location, that is the unique identifier is the 9789280. So I will create another variable, for example y is equal to 10.5. so let me check. So what is the ID of that variable y? So you can see, so some other identifier associated with that variable y. So one more name is equal to ABC. So ID of name. So here another unique identifier for that variable name. So now we have some rules to create a variable name. So the first one is every time whenever you are create the variable name, do not start the variable name with numbers and other symbols except underscore. For example, you can start underscore name as example ABC. So this one will work. For example, one name is equal to ABC. So So this is syntax error. Okay, don't start the variable name with the numbers, and similarly star name ABC. So again this is syntax error. Okay, always start the variable name with alphabets, either lowercase or uppercase, and underscore. So that is the valid variable name. And the next variable names are case sensitive. For example, x is equal to 10 and capital X is equal to 100. So both variables are different. So let me check with the ID. So ID of first one, that is small x, so and ID of second one, uppercase X. You can see both variables has different unique identifiers. Okay, so first one is 9788280 and second one 9792160. So the variable names are case sensitive in Python. And next one, for example, suppose I want to assign x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. So both variables having the same value. Let's check the ID of these two variables, ID of x and ID of y. So you can see here the unique identifier for variable x and y are the same, because these two variables has the same value. So x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. So this is about variable. So variable is a entity that may be changed during the execution of program. Again that may be changed. X is equal to, initially x is equal to 10, now I will update x is equal to x plus 10. So now you can see the value is changed. So again the variable is a name that refers some memory location. So here 9789280 is the some memory address. So here in Python we can say it is an unique identifier. So that's about variable. So guess your answer. Which one is a valid variable name? Okay, from these four options, choose the correct one and paste it in comment section. So thank you.